This is Orientation Lesson 65, Study Tips 14, Write Down Your Assignments. This is a PDF which accompanies this lesson. It is a PDF so that you can use this assignment book and write your assignments. It's very important that you do this. When an assignment is missed or you don't learn something, it's usually because you haven't written it down. So, okay, put your name right here and the start date on the first line. When you filled it up and you're done, you can put the last date on it. Now, if I open it up, you will see here, maybe, that you can see that there's a date over here. Let's see, yes, a date, the class or subject, when the assignment's due, what the assignment is, and then the date down here when it's completed, the grade, whether it was satisfactory or not, and the last little thing on there was whether or not you had to redo it. This is important. Print this out, print this PDF out. There are two sheets. They're both two-sided. The first one has the cover sheet on it, and it will be printed with this cover and this on the other half of the sheet, and then it'll be just like this on the inside. And there's another sheet in the PDF that has this on both sides of the paper. Print it off. I'm not going to tell you how to do it on your printer or how to do it at a printing place, but do print it off and get some done for your student or students and use it. And it makes a good record also of what they have done. If you need to keep records, this is a good record of what has been done. And remember, we here at the Academy have a standard of 85%. We want to have our students pass everything with 85% because we found through the years that if they don't, that as time goes on, because they haven't mastered what they should previously, that they will begin to not be able to do so well in their subjects, and their grades will keep going down in a decline, and we don't want that. So that's why we say at least an 85% mastery. You, however, if you are doing this on your own as a homeschool, you have the opportunity to set your own standards and your own mastery. And I would do so. I would encourage you very, very much to do so. Is your mastery 70%? 75, 80? Is it 90% maybe, or 95? What do you want? What do you expect out of your kids? What do you feel is right for them? And set that level of mastery. And then you know that when they do an assignment and you feel that it's maybe only a 70% assignment and you set the goal at 80%, you can put redo. That's what we do here. We do redos if we have to. We give A's and we give B's, B pluses basically, but we'll put a redo down. And it doesn't mean that the assignment has to be completely redone. It just means that they have to learn what they haven't been able to master yet. And when they do, then of course they can move on. But we feel it's very important that they master as much as possible, and that's why we have set the standard at 85%. And that's why that little redo portion is in here. But I encourage you very, very much to print this out and to use it, and to use it with each one of your kids. It's helpful too if you are a homeschool mom and you're scheduling your kids and so forth to write in the assignments the night before, and so your students can just start right in. They can see what's going on. Or if the student's old enough himself, have him write his own assignments for the next day in here. And if you're hearing any auxiliary sounds on this video, it's because my husband's loading up the pickup with wood at the point. So anyway, assignment book. Go to the PDF and print it off.